This video shows how to factory reset the HolidayCoro long-range smart receiver version 2 with a screen. This is item code 951-77. You can tell that a receiver is programmed. You may see the green lights for the active, and you may also see specific green lights up here. Resetting the receiver to factory defaults will make its standard address as 0. To invoke the reset mode, what we want to do is press the left button over here, and that will turn on a blue light right here. This will bring up the menu. You can now press the S or center button. This will bring up the next menu. Use the down or negative button till you get to factory reset. Press the S or center button. Now go ahead and use the down button or negative and go to factory reset. Press the S button and the receiver will restart in factory test mode. Now, at this point, the receiver is back at factory defaults.